Ricky, what are we doing today?
Today we are installing Python.
Hey guys, in this video we're going to learn how to install Python, step by step. Let's do this. The first step is to open the web browser of your preference. Secondly, type the word Python and press enter. In my web browser, the first option is python.org, which is the web page for the Python programming language. You have to click the web page, the Welcome to Python.org part. After you click in the page, you will be now in the Python programming language web page. You have to click in Downloads, and when the page loads, will automatically detect the Python version that your computer needs, in this case for Windows and the last version 3.9.0. But let's first click in the section Windows, while when you want to download a different version, you should click here. After the page loads, the options are here. In this case, it offers the Python 2 versions as well. Python 2 stopped getting updates recently, therefore we will concentrate in learning Python 3. Most of the modules are continuously migrating to Python 3. Let's click in Python 3.9, and when the page loads, you can now download the version you need. You have to scroll down until the file section, and then you have to decide which Python fits your computer architecture. How do you know your computer architecture? You have to place in the search lower left part of Windows, then write settings and press enter. The window that pops offers different options. You have to head to the first option system and click it there. Now from the menu in the left, click word about, and in the device specifications you will find your system architecture. In this case I have a 64-bit. We need a 64 version for Python programming language. Close the window and now press the Windows 64 executable installer, and we wait till it's completely downloaded. If by any chance your system is not a 64-bit, the option that you have to take is the option x86, which corresponds to a 32-bit. That's the only two options that you have, guys. As we waited till Python was downloaded completely, we have now to click the lower left position where your system is downloaded. In my case, as I am using Google Chrome web browser, the downloaded files are located here. You have to click the file and the installation will start. First, you have to accept this dialog box for the installation, and afterwards, do not forget to tick the path section for Python. If you do not tick this, the path should be done manually, which for a novice would mean maybe complicated. Please tick the path box.
Hey guys, please subscribe to our channel and activate the bell. You will receive the notification of our weekly videos. Support our job to keep creating excellent content.
After the installation is done completely, we have to corroborate that Python is already in our system. We have to open the command prompt in Windows. For this, we place in the lower left position in the Windows and write cmd and press enter. The Windows command prompt will open, and to check if Python is installed in our system, we have to write the word Python and press enter. And there you go, we are already in Python 3.9, which is the version that we just downloaded. After we corroborated that we have installed Python in version 3.9, the last one, we have to create our first program. The way to do this, with the command prompt and Python already running, it's calling the function print from Python. This function prints the message that you write inside the parentheses on the screen. You can print anything you want. In this case, we will print the string hello world. This string hello world is the classic first print instruction to any programmer. Print hello world. And press enter. And there you go. You have printed your first ever Python program. Congratulations. If you locate in the search button and write Python, you will find other options for the language. In this case, let's open the command line. As you can see, the command line from Python is basically what we have done before. You can print the same message, print hello world, and you will get the same message on the screen. In the next video, I will go deeper over Python setup and how to build your first script from an editor, which runs your code as you have seen probably in the movies. Stay tuned.
And please, remember to subscribe to our channel, visit our webpage, like our social media if you want to become a data scientist. Bye.